Let's complete the table of values for the following equation: y equals 1/2 x minus 5. We're going to use what we know, or the values that are given, to find the ones that are missing. We'll start by plugging in a -2 for x to see what we get out for y. So in the given equation, we're going to remove the x and replace it with -2. When we do so, it's going to look like so. We can cancel the common factor of the 2. Now notice that a positive times a negative equals a negative. So this is going to equal a negative number. So once we cancel the common factors, that's going to leave us with -1 here. -1 combined with -5, the signs are the same, keep the sign and add the numbers. That's going to give us -6. So y equals -6. This means when we plug in a -2 for x, what we get out for y is a -6. And now we're going to plug in a 0 for x to see what we get out for y. So in the original equation, we're going to remove the x and replace it with 0. When we do so, it's going to look like so. You know that any number times 0 is 0, so all we're left with is simply y equals -5. So this means when we plug in a 0 for x, what we get out for y is a -5. Lastly, we're going to plug in a 0 for y. So in the equation, we're going to remove the y and replace it with a 0. When we do so, it's going to look like so. Next, to solve for x, we're going to move that 5 to the other side by adding 5 to each side. Now, to solve for x, let's get rid of the fraction. When you want to get rid of the fraction in an equation, all you have to do is take the denominator, whatever it is, and multiply both sides of the equation by that denominator. So we're going to take the 2 and multiply both sides by 2. This will allow us to cancel out the common factors on the right side. And that leaves us with x equals, when we multiply the left side, x equals 10. This means when we plug in a 0 for y, what we get out for x is a 10. And now we have completed our table of values.